Come in. Buju. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hold on. Now, the veterans them a show up the young youths them in a dancehall. Buju come now. Anthony B. Listen. Crazy music.
Calm yourself.
Yeah, you know.
This girl
hold me down, put a knife on my neck. Comment down below and tell me what you think of the body song on the Riddim so far.
Girl, give me some wine. We no buckle yet. And the first in my life, I can never make me sweat. Me walk sweat, waist no neck, and every room if I.
Yeah, man say me walk sweat, waist no neck. Man I tell her say girl have all her action in her waist. Girl not figure in her head.
Me get defenseless. Tired that one position, make me switch it to the next. Girl, I want me message and I saw me sit the set.
Man, them a show up young youths them.
Calm yourself.
On yourself.
This girl hold me down, put a knife on my neck. If you ever move, I make it take your last break. This a girl, give me some wine. We no buckle yet. And the first in my life, I can never make me
sweat. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Me walk sweat. Waist no neck, and every room me fire. Me get defenseless. Tired that one position, make me switch it to the next. Girl, I want me message and I saw me sit the set. Lock me in the house and send me on the house arrest.
Hear flow. Hear the flow switching.
A pampering no amount of loving but you get. Rub down me chest and me say not the faucet. Bring it in the nest tonight, I saw me arrest. Them can't X-rated like oh, you come and road and shot and show your body. No one say you hot and can't get any man you want. What make you go on so? What make you go on so? Them can't X-rated like
yeah, I feel like a Riddim take between Buju and Anthony B.
You come a road and shot and show your body. Do your body and you can get any man you want. What make you go on so? What make you go on? Girl run down man friends jump. Lock him up, put him up in a you can't chunk. Girl want a real man, she don't want a punk. Touch her body right, she want the slam dunk. She say urban roots in a amount. Lock down in a house and you cannot come out. Such a situation I could never ball out. Girl want
Buju have a very distinctive voice. It's like you hear Buju voice and you just know say yo that's a Buju. You see me? Like and the man flow just unstoppable.
Loving and she go all out. Pull off the window, woman a fall. I know the road, no girl a call. In a dance all woman them a ball. So them want a man to make them feel good overall. Them girl you sexy like war. Oh you come and road and chance and show your body jaw. Know your body good and can get any man you want. What make you go on so? What make you go on so? Them girl you
talent, pantapa talent.
Rated like war. Oh, you come and road and shots and show your body jaw. Know your body good, you can get any man you want. What make you go on so? What make you go on so?
Alright, let me tell you something. Buju show, you know, say the 90s, Buju Anthony B show, you say, yo, the 90s dancehall man, them just different. Flow, unique. No explicit lyrics. Very direct lyrics. Everything is well put together. Very precise, very organized, very, very demure. No chopping, no spitting a face, slappy get nothing like that. Just clean lyrics. Just clean lyrics, that's it. Show you how great them man be, bro. That's all I have to say, bro. I don't have much to say, like. The song 10 out of 10. DJ Mac, big up your damn self, you. This is probably the Riddim for the year. It's a Riddim for the year for me, and not just February. It's go hard for you to top this Riddim. I don't care who you be. If you're Russian, I don't care who you be. Chimney Records, I don't care who you be. It's go hard to top this record, brother. You have to come good. Like, comment, share, subscribe.